Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Professor Hassan and you are watching my channel Professor Hassan Hamayon. Punjab Public Service Commission is going to conduct a very important written test for the post of statistical officer. There are 14 seats and almost more than 1500 students have applied for this much, and today I will discuss very important questions for different statistics concepts. Before starting today's vital and important lecture, I request everyone subscribe to my channel, like and share my channel, and click the bell icon for the next notifications. And dear students, my numbers are here. You can call me, you can save my number, you can send me the message on WhatsApp. Alhamdulillah, by the grace of Allah, I have a group. I have prepared my students for that written test, and many students from different cities of Punjab have joined that important and vital session. And from Monday 30th October 2023, I'm going to start the preparation for interview. As you know, interview is as important as the written test. In the interview, after passing the written test, you will have to perform well. There should be your increase in the confidence, and I will work on your confidence, and I will work on your statistical concepts. You will learn a lot in that session, so you can join that session. You can call me, you can just send me a message on these numbers. Let's start, please. First of all, I will take a start from the first chapter, Introduction to Statistics. Actually, in statistics we have four pillars. That is important MCQ. I will discuss different concepts, and if you are capable, if you are able to understand and learn these concepts, you can pass, inshallah, you can pass every written test of statistics. First one is that statistics has four pillars: collection of data, presentation of data, analysis of data, and interpretation of data. And statistics has three meanings. First of all, statistics is a branch of science in which we collect data, we present data, we analyze the data, we draw conclusions about the population parameters with the help of the sample data. Number two, statistic is a single, actually the value calculated from the sample, and its plural is statistics. And the third one, we have aggregates of data. In the plural sense, we can say statistics of number of cars on mall road, number of road accidents, number of teachers, number of students, number of patients in a hospital. Then it has two main types. Number one, descriptive. Second is inferential. In descriptive statistics, we describe different aspects of the data. We find out mean is descriptive. We find out dispersion, scatterness of the values around the central value. We find out skewness, we check the symmetry, we find out kurtosis, we make the graphs, histogram, historygram, pictogram. All these are included in the descriptive statistics. And in inferential statistics, with the help of sample data, we draw conclusions about the unknown population parameters. Then there are four main scales of measurement. First is nominal. Just we say that we categorize two things. I am a male and you are a female. That will be nominal scale. There is no importance of order, there is no importance of plus and minus only, and nominal is the simplest one, it is the easiest one, it is the initial one, it is the beginner, and that will be the starter. The nominal is the first one, and that is used for the qualitative data: male, female, Muslims, non-Muslims, beautiful, ugly. Beautiful, ugly will not be in this much. You can say, I can say Muslims, non-Muslims. You can say Christians, Sindh, Christians, Sikh, Hindus, and Jews. That will be the categories only, and that will be in the nominal scale. And then we have the second one, that will be ordinal scale. It is also used for the qualitative data. We say that we have three categories: small size, medium size, large size. 3-star hotel, 4-star, 5-star, order is involved, and that is the ordinal one. And the third one is interval scale. And fourth is ratio. These two are used for quantitative data. In interval scale, 0 is meaningful. For example, if I say temperature is 0, it does not mean there is no temperature in the air. 0 is meaningful. And in ratio, 0 is not meaningful. Profit is 0. That will be 0. 0 is not meaningful. After that, we have classification, we have tabulation, we have graphs. These are the methods to display data. Classification, we make the classes according to some common characteristic of interest. For example, if I say I have the classes of different categories of income, there are, the first category is less than 20,000 rupees, next is 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. And if I have only one variable, for example income, that will be one way classification. And if I make the classes according to two variables like income as well as height, that will be two-way classification. And if I'm interested in three variables, I'm interested in height, I'm interested in weight, I'm interested in income, that will be manifold classification. And the same thing is for tabulation: one-way tabulation, two-way and manifold tabulation. And in tabulation we have some important features. The first one is title at the top, then we have row captions, we have column captions. After that, a very important concept, we have box plot. It is also called 5-number summary. It is introduced by John Tuckey. And we have actually, here we have median, we have Q1, Q2, maximum value, minimum value. It is 5-number summary. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minimum value, maximum value, Q2, Q1, Q2. It detects the outliers. A very important concept. It was introduced by John Tuckey. 5-number summary, box plot, and then we have stem and leaf display. It is also introduced by John Tuckey, and it is the method of arranging data. The first digit is called leading digit, trailing digit. A very important concept. Then we have bar diagram, we have pictograms, we have histogram. Actually, histogram is the graph of the frequency distribution. If I have marks of the students, I have classes, I have frequency, that will be displayed by histogram. A very important MCQ. It is the graph of the frequency distribution. We take classes on the x-axis and frequency on the y-axis. And after that, frequency polygon. Actually, whenever I join the midpoints of the rectangles made in histogram, then I have frequency polygon. And if I just put the curve like this much on this, that will be frequency curve. In histogram, we take class boundaries on x-axis and frequency on y-axis. And if I join the midpoints, actually, here we have if I join these midpoints, I will have frequency polygon, and if I smooth that curve, I will put a curve over here that will be frequency curve. There are many important concepts for this. Then measure of central tendency. As you know, there are some averages which are used to describe, to elaborate, to discuss, to signify the center of the data. These are called measures of central tendency. First is arithmetic mean, second is geometric mean, third is harmonic mean, fourth is median, fifth is mode. Please, students, boys and girls, keep in mind they all are dependent upon origin and scale. What is the meaning of origin? If I plus or minus the same value, a constant value in all the data set, in all the values of x, then they are changed. Arithmetic mean, geometric mean, harmonic mean, median and mode are changed when I plus, when I minus, when I multiply, when I divide any constant number with all the observations. These all are changed. The question can be asked, these are dependent upon origin. Yes, that's true. These are dependent upon scale. That's true. If they say they are independent of origin, no, it's wrong. If they say they are independent of scale, that's also wrong. Then very, very important concept. If the property number 1 of our arithmetic mean is that summation x minus x bar is always equal to 0. What does it mean? If the question is given summation x minus 17 is equal to 4, summation x minus 19 is equal to 5, summation x minus 3 is equal to 0. This is the property you will have to learn. And if the answer is 0 in this much, then that value after minus sign will be our x bar. What is the question? That will be x bar. And next property is that summation x minus x bar whole square is minimum. And the question can be asked, summation x minus 1 whole square is equal to 4, summation x minus 3 whole square is equal to 6, summation x minus 4 whole square is equal to 10. Now which is the minimum value? 4, 6, 10. This is minimum. It means x bar is equal to 1. A very important concept. Then next one is, if you have all the same values, it's mean x bar is equal to 3. If we have a constant value, then mean, median, geometric mean, harmonic mean will be equal to that value. If all the values are equal to 3, then mean will be 3, geometric mean will also be 3, harmonic mean will also be 3, median will also be 3. But for mode you will say no mode, not defined, because we have the same values. For mode you can write there is no mode in this much, but these all will be equal to 3. Then very important concept. If you have some values 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, in this case, whenever you have different numbers, not the same numbers, you have 50, 70, 80, 90, 100, then always arithmetic mean will be greater than geometric mean, that will be greater than harmonic mean. Please keep in mind. There can be some options in the exam. For example, arithmetic mean is equal to, for this data set, arithmetic mean is 14, geometric mean is 15, harmonic mean is 10. Is it true? No, it's wrong. Because we have learned when all the values of the data set are same, then arithmetic mean must be greater than these two values. Geometric mean must be greater than harmonic mean, and harmonic mean should be less than these two values. And if we have 7, 7, 7, 7 and 7, whenever all the observations are same, then arithmetic mean equal to geometric mean equal to harmonic mean. How do we find arithmetic mean for two numbers, a plus b over 2? For geometric